Hey guys. Well, I'm going to be reviewing what? Okay, I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to review Sonic Boom today. Little Sonic Boom with the fearsome little beanies or whatever. Whoa. Let's go! And I'm here. Yeah! I got it. Now I wonder where a good place to be. To show you this guy. Show warehouse, go. Whatever. This is a good factory. Yeah, I haven't done anything. Okay, let's review. Also level 8 air. I'm not going to say the stats. Okay, powers raw, egg toss, kind of cool. That's an egg that had visitors, boost the baby. Okay, loud mouth, let there be flight. Ride up the Valkyries. Yes, freeze a crowd. Sunny side up. Sibling variety. Sibling variety, what was it? Have 4 baby, yeah. Terrible tour was. And I guess okay. I haven't even got the whatever. Dude, there is it! I know shit, yeah, I am. Okay, good. Oh, dude, I'm scared. Scaredy cat, scaredy cat. Oh, cool! Right, I don't even want to switch. I mean, come on. 5,329 health. I'm not going to be attacking. I really got it. Mistake. Shut up! What? Woo! This is so awesome. Okay, let's see. The first attack, A, tapping to do a street. The second attack is B, launch little babies. So it has to be baby. Yay! The babies are guarding me. Stop moving! Whatever, and obviously. If I had the attack thing, the frequency thingy, if I scream at them, they'll be screaming. Ooh. Oh yeah, no. Where's the purple one? Oh, in front of me. Come on, little babies. What the? Oh, stop. Stuck again. Yeah, this is not a good place to show it out though. I should have done here. Awesome. They're from Lagoon. Yeah. This is the best ever. Okay, over here, let's see, I can show you this. Little babies, they're hatching on, and we can go flying. Come on, babies. We are flying, yay! Huh? Oh, well, dare you! Ah, squid face, drop on hero. Guys. Nobody goes away from me. Oh, darling. Ah! Babies, come on! What the? Whoa. Does this count? I'm flying. Yeah, I'm an A-type. And any A-type that can't even hover, fly, etc. I don't know this. Babies are slow. I'm going first. I'll call you Bob. You know what? I'm gonna call you. Oh, little baby. Oh no. Must come over here, baby. They all died. I know. Whatever. No, baby. Ah, baby. My favorite little baby. You're gonna be cool warrior. You're gonna be the legendary warrior of birds. Oh my gosh, why can't I go over there? Damn it. Okay, that guy's dead. Whatever, that wraps up for today. 7 minutes with wait for 40 seconds. And now, bye guys.